Hi, Michael from ROKFORM here. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing our 30-watt dual USB-C 12-volt power adapter. Today we'll be unboxing our 30-watt dual USB-C 12-volt power adapter. When we open up, we've got our manual with the product specifications and features, as well as warranty information. This 30-watt dual USB-C power adapter is a great companion for any of our ROKFORM charging mounts. It works for both wireless and direct charging. You can plug a USB-C cable into either of the ports. If you use one port, you're going to get up to 30 watts of power. If you use both ports at the same time, it'll be split evenly to 15 watts for each port. So that gives you the opportunity to charge two devices at once while you are driving, or anywhere that has a 12-volt power adapter. That was the unboxing for the 30-watt dual USB-C 12-volt car charger. Now we can go install it in the car and see it in action. Now that we've unboxed our 30-watt dual USB-C 12-volt car charger, we can install it in the car and charge our devices. Most cars come equipped with a 12-volt adapter port like that. So to install, we just simply press it in, and then the spring-loaded caps right there will let you know when it's in, as well as the LED ring on the outside. And then to begin charging your devices, just connect any USB-C cable. Right now I'm using one of our ROKFORM cables. And then connect the other end either directly to your device or to the wireless charging head that you are using, and it will begin charging right away. Some cars like this one have an additional 12-volt port in the back, so that can be great if you're like camping or tailgating or something like that. So again, you can just plug the 12-volt adapter into there and then connect the other end into your phone or your whatever device you want to charge, and then you're charging right away. One of the biggest benefits of this 30-watt dual USB-C 12-volt car charger is it offers faster charging speeds for your phone or your device than standard USB ports that are included in your car. Thanks for watching. Stop by our showroom in Irvine or visit us on ROKFORM.com to get your 12-volt power adapter or any other mobile accessories for your phone.